How to unlink your Epic Games account with Social Club. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. To get started with, let's understand what is Social Club. Social Club, also known as Rockstar Games Social Club, is an online gaming service created by Rockstar Games. It serves as a platform where players can interact with each other, access exclusive contents, participate in events, and track the progress and statistics in various games. However, if you want to unlink your Epic Games account from your social club, you can do it via this process. First of all, you have to go to Rockstar Social Club customer support and then choose the connectivity after you sign into your account. To sign in, you just have to tap on the sign in button, which is on the top right, and then it will give you another page whereby you have to give your credentials such as username and password. Once that is done, you are signed in. After that, you will be redirected to the previous page from where you can access to unlink the account. First of all, you have to choose the connectivity and then you will see different options. From there, choose PC and then you will get a fill up form. Scroll down a bit and start filling the form. The very first one would be entering your PSN online ID for PlayStation or the Rockstar Games account, and then description of how you would like to unlink it. After that, you are required to upload the picture. For that, you have to open your Epic Games and then take a screenshot of your accounts page, and the next one is your home page. Once that is done, click on submit web ticket and you will get response in less than 24 hours. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.